Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic of discussion is how can we calculate the date of birth and from the age of the particular people. And here you can see in this example we have already got the date of birth of some people, and from the help of this date of birth we will tell what is the current age of that particular person. So here you can see the date of birth of one particular person, and if you want to know the date of birth of that particular person, you have to just use the dated if function. And how you can use the dated if function, you have to just go in the cell in which you want the current age. So you have to just write your equals to, and then you have to just use the dated if function. And in this dated if function you have to just open the bracket, and here you can see I just write your equals to, and then I just write dated if function. And in dated if function you have three things you have to do. And what three things you have to do? You have to first tell them the date of birth. So the date of birth is written here, so you have to just select the particular cell of date of birth, and here you can see the address of the cell, which is B3, is written here. The first portion is completed. Now what is the second? Before the second you have to just write your comma, and then you have to use the second function. The second function is that you have to use the current date. Current date is today, and bracket open and close. What this formula does, this formula will calculate the date of birth and compare it from today and then subtract it, so that we will get the date of birth of that person from today date. And today is basically the date of the particular function. Like in today the date of birth, or today the date given in my PC is written here, so it will calculate the date of birth and it's today from its the time setting here. Then what you have to do after today, you have to just write here comma, then our second function is also completed. Now our third and last function is what we want. We want the year, and year is written here. You have to just write your equals to, and for year you have to just write your y and inverted comma close, and then you have to just close the bracket. So I just repeat it again. How you can calculate the age of the person? You have to just use the dated if function, and you have to just use equals to dated if, and then you have to open the bracket, and in this bracket you have to use three elements. First element is the address of the date of birth of that person. Then you have to just use the comma. Then you have to write the today function, and today function will calculate the date from today written in or set in your instrument or in your equipment. And then comma, and last one we want the number of years. So for writing the years you have to write inverted comma open, then year and inverted comma close, and then bracket close. Now you just need to press the enter, then it will tell you the age of the particular person. Now what you have to do, you have to only write the function once, then you have to just drag the function or drag the cell up till your wanted result. So I just drag it, and here you can see it automatically gives me the result, like the person who born in 27th May 2000. So the age of that person is 20, because from 2000 and 2021 it has got 20 years of life. And here you can see the 1980, the person got 40 years, and here you can see the result. This is how you can calculate the age of any particular person from the formula. I just copy the formula and I just paste here, so that everyone can understand and everyone can use this type of function and formula. This is all done. If you face any confusion in this example, you can write in our comment section. We will surely give you a reply. Thank you so much.